Oh my god. What the heck is this? Maybe it just goes outside? That's so creepy though. I almost don't even want to go down there. Okay, so I've discovered it goes down to a garage. Okay, guess what? Today was supposed to be this quick, relaxing, easy travel day. One quick flight. I even paid extra to get that quick flight. I was gonna be in the city at 2 o'clock, have the whole day to relax. I showed you some of the Airbnb. It was filthy. So the bathtub was like so dirty I didn't even want to put my bare feet in the tub. The pots and pans were dirty, crusty. There was like crusty stuff on the pillows. There was a blood stain on the carpet. I spent time trying to figure it out over Airbnb and moved, and this place saved me. It is stunning. I'm gonna give you a tour. I just got here. It is so beautiful. I'm so relieved. Look at it, it's gorgeous. Look at this beautiful kitchen. It's stunning. I'm so thrilled. Look at this bedroom. Gorgeous bathroom. I got 2 whole sinks to myself. Look at this. Washer and dryer here. This is the best. It feels really nice. Best part, balcony and a pool. Wow. Hi. Hi, puppies. I'm so happy to be out of freezing cold Omaha. It was like minus 30 all week. This is much better. Thank you, have a good day. I randomly found this gift shop and I got a sticker. Look at this. I guess they call this city Cowtown. I don't really know where that comes from, but Cowtown. Thank you. Hello. I found a theater. Oh, 2 fridges. A rocking chair. Sticker time! Where should we put the cow? This is really starting to fill up, so we're gonna put the cow right there.
Hello, if we could get the band to the band platform on stage.
We're in the middle of sound check, but I'm stopping for a snack because I don't like to eat too close to the show. I made this little like charcuterie snack box thing. Green beans, carrots, little crackers, hummus, and an egg. I also have pumpkin seeds here. Heavy duty magnet. In case you were wondering. Huge magnet, look at this. Stick. You gotta yank it pretty hard to close it, but I thought that was cool. Good morning. Look, I have a friend. Puppy. Hi. Hi. I'm just doing some meal prep. Also, I have 2 pairs of glasses on. Funny. I have tofu, and I'm gonna try and make like a tofu crumble in the oven, bake it, add some seasonings and stuff. I've never crumbled it like this, but I'm gonna see how it turns out. Spice it up, hopefully it tastes good. It's so refreshing to be living in a space that has, well, just like a real apartment, you know? Hotel rooms can get kind of stale, so this is really, really nice. Here it is, all crumbled up. Now, let's give it some life. What do we have? Here's my little lunch box with all my spices. Oh, well, I have red pepper flakes. I'm just gonna throw some on. You know what? Oh god. Whatever. There's this really good tofu that I pan fry, and I marinate it in soy sauce, maple syrup, sesame oil too, and ginger, garlic. It's really good. Woohoo! Stick this on some rice. I've got some broccoli. I have little seaweed flakes too. Avocado. Oh, poke bowl with like tofu chunks. Ooh, I'm excited. Shred some carrots on there. Nah. You bet I'm having some post-show vegetable dumplings. I think I just lost my last clip, so I was saying, good morning. I don't know if I ever told you where we are, but we're in Texas, baby. Fort Worth. This morning we're at the stockyards and we're checking out the cattle thing. Fun stuff. I'm gonna say howdy to the cattle. I just want to go horseback riding.
Cute! You should turn that inside.
Wow! Hello, beautiful girls.
Hi, pretty horse. Oh my god. Look at her. Let's skip by her. Look at those tots. Loaded tots. Tachos. Alessandro, those look amazing.
They look so good.
I just had a little nap. Maybe I fell asleep for like 10 minutes. I needed it. I was sleepy. I could not get out of bed this morning. Well, it's 5:30 now. Show's in 2 hours, so gotta wake up. There's a piano gallery across the street, Steinway Piano. Oh my god, they're beautiful.
Hey, vlog!
Hey!
Vlog! Yay! It's okay!
I went to Target on my break. Just had some dinner. Gonna hang in this rocking chair. Comfy. We found it! We're finishing off the week in Texas!
At In-N-Out, baby.
Woo!
That's right, we love it here.
We love you, In-N-Out.
Thank you.
40.
Yeah. You guys. I must be dreaming.
Wow! Look at that big
Wow. Wow.
I'm going in. You know, sound really travels across water.
Wow.
We are
Alright, let's go.
Hey, Margie. I like your sweater.